Welcome back to Monday night Hot Rods Racing. This is round 22 of the 2020 Hot Rods Club Championships. Let's look at tonight's program. This is the mighty 33 Ford Roadster with Jim Leichenring, your current club champion, behind the wheel. Others have tried to take him down. They've pushed him into the wall. They've almost crumpled his soul. And this is what champions are made of. Taking on the champ is our favourite Mark D of CRC Racing from Australia. He's in that way too fast. This car has the pace, has the power to take on Leichenring and that Roadster. Good luck, gentlemen.
Let the hot rods begin. Race 1. Unbelievable. First race, D and F. Can we get a medic up here on the way too fast? Can someone call a medic?
The SMC, they're on their way, and a couple of tow trucks. They look all right.
Race 2. Winner! Jim Leichenring and the 33 Ford Roadster.
Couple of big hits there right at the end. Leichenring and the Roadster, they get their first win right here on Hot Rods.
Race 3. Winner! Mark D of CRC Racing in the way too fast.
Great win there by Mark D of CRC Racing in that way too fast. All squared out of race 3.
Race 4. Winner! Mark D of CRC Racing in the way too fast.
These guys are going head to head all the way through the track here. A great win by Mark. But Jim, hold on, mate.
Race 5. Mark D of CRC Racing in the mighty way too fast.
That's right, MC. The way too fast with Mark behind the wheel was completely unstoppable tonight. Jim, we'll see you on the track soon. Here's your top 10. Gee, that's tied right up there. Mark and Jim, Toon Tracks, Show Me State and Scorpio still up front. Let's wrap it up. This is top of race 2, and I love the feedback that other drivers and teams have between each other when they race. One pushes the other, and their energy levels just rise, and this is where you get this extreme result from these guys. Look, Leichenring in that Roadster, always his win tonight out of race 2, crosses the line for his first win, and check this hit out by the way too fast. Wham! Smacks into him. By the way, we have a new end wall there, so everyone should be happy. This is race 3, and you can really see where the way too fast shines on Mount Western Raceway with Mark behind the wheel. Those big twin engines, they're just powering up and picking a straight line out of turn 2, hits those sidewalls a bit, puts it in the top gear and crosses the line. Jim wasn't that far behind, a little bit of a spin out there, and there you go, Mark D of CRC Racing in the way too fast gets his first win. Wow, the tension's very tight. Let's head into race 4, and you can see the experience here by Mark and that way too fast. He's raced here many times before, and he knows and he's watched other way too fast drive this track, and he knows he's got to keep it straight, otherwise he's off and he's bent and he won't win. He's struggling here a bit, crosses the line. Jim's having a few words with Mark and the way too fast. Look at this, Mark just sneaks up. You can feel the tension and power. I wish I knew what these guys were saying. Alrighty, let's head into race 5, and this was so close. Unbelievable. Down the back, they're sort of neck and neck. They're struggling there in turn 1. Coming out of turn 1 though, it's Jim Leichenring and the Roadster all the way. The Roadster hits the bottom, and I think that just might have been the catalyst for losing this race. And here comes the way too fast and just powers past the line and takes out tonight's win in Hot Rods right here on Mount Western Raceway. A big thank you goes to Jim Leitchenring and that Roadster, mate. We'll see you on the track very soon. Here he is, a big round of applause. Mark D of CRC Racing in the Way Too Fast. He is now your current club champion in hot rods. Next Thursday night, we're doing something a bit different. We're just waiting for the organisers to get the teams and drivers sorted. I'm going to take a crack at the club championship. I have a car primed and tuned and ready to take on Mark and that Way Too Fast. I'll be driving the 1970 Chevelle Ss. See you Thursday night, Aussie time.